Hey y'all, it's Mr. T-Bones here coming at you live from South Columbia Family School. Of course, again, this is not actually live, but I am alive while I'm making the recording. That seems sort of live. All right, lesson 79, estimating areas. You got your mental health, you got your problem solving. New concept here, estimating areas. Okay, so here we have a foot. And trying to actually figure out what this area here is. That's pretty difficult, okay? Looking at all of these squares and trying to figure out exactly what your total is not something that is very easily done. So instead, what we're going to do is you're going to have to estimate. You're going to have to try and sort of figure out exactly how many squares that it covers. Count full squares, then you count the squares that are about half, 30 nearly full squares, and 4 half squares, okay? Tucker estimates that the shoe print was 32 square inches. Tucker weighs 116 pounds. So he divided his weight by 32 inches squared. Found that his weight was distributed 3.5 pounds per square inch, okay? Would the number of pounds per square inch on each foot be greater or less than 352 if Tucker stood on 2 feet? Okay. Well, obviously it would be less, right? Because you're doubling the amount. Instead of 33, it would be 66, right? So what all does it mean, or does it take to do a estimate? Well, in this case, it's still just counting as far as they care. So it doesn't seem like they're going to give you any sort of specific instruction so much as what they're going to do is they're going to give you some sort of general instruction. So here they're counting half squares here. This is, of course, a circle, so we could find the exact area. Area equals pi r squared, right? So the pi times 3, because the radius is 3. So 3.14 times 9 would give us our more accurate sort of area. So they estimate 28 squares, 3.14 times 9. That seems about right. I don't want you to really bother with this activity. I mean, it seems like this is really just counting, so I'm really not worried about this. I guess do A and B. I mean, I don't really love this section here, so I'm not going to make you focus most on it. All you have to do for the practice set is A and B. So practice A, B, why one of those is capitalized and the other is not, I could not say. The written practice for here, let's go ahead and I want you to do 19 through 30 all. So just this page, okay? And that is it for your work today. Have a good one, my dudes.